Hello children, welcome to Shaba's Math Corner. Today we are going to see NCRT class 7th standard, second chapter, exercise 2.5. Okay, decimals. In this decimals, first question they are given which is greater. We want to find which is greater, 0.5 or 0.05. Okay, so point after you check the first digit. Point after which is the first digit? 5. Here it is 0. So 5 is bigger or 0 is bigger? We know that 5 is bigger. So this is bigger than this. So 0.5 is bigger than 0.05. Okay. Then second problem also, please see this. After decimal, here 0.7, here 0.5. So which is greater? 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Okay. Third one, 7 or 0.7. 7 means we usually used to write 7.0. So 7.0 or 0.7. See here, decimal point before number is ones place is 7. But here ones place is 0. We know that ones place 7 is greater. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Okay. Then fourth problem, please compare these two. 1.37, 1.49. Here are ones place here 1 only. So it is same. But after decimal first digit is 3. After decimal first digit is 4. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So this number is greater. 1.49 is greater than 1.37. Okay. Then fifth one, 2.03 or 2.30. We will used to get confused because ones place both also 2 only. Then please check after decimal first digits. After decimal first digit is 0. After decimal first digit is 3. So which is bigger, 0 or 3? This 3 is greater. So 2.30 is greater than 2.03. Okay. Next, problem number 6. 0.8 or 0.88. Already we know that 0.8 means it is 0.80. So first digit is 8, same. But second digit here 0, here it's 8. So 88 is greater than 80. Okay. Then second one, second Roman number, what they given? Express as rupees using decimals. This is page number 47. Okay. 7 paisa we want to write in decimal. Okay. So how to do this 7 paisa? We know that 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So what is 7 paisa? 7 paisa means we used to write 7 by 100. 7 by 100 means what? By 100. So 2 zeros in the denominator. We have only one number. So keep a 0 in the front. Then 2 number before you place a point. So it is 0.07. Okay. So how you know? We used to write 7 paisa means 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 7 paisa means we used to write 7 by 100. But denominator 100 means 2 0 is there now. So 2 number before we want to place this point. But here only one number. So add 0 and place the point here. So it is 0.7. 7 rupees 7 paise. Now we know 7 paise it is 0.7. 7 rupees means what? 7 point. For 7 paise what? 07. Okay. So it is 7.07. Then we will come to the third problem. 77 rupees 77 paise. So 77 rupees means it is 77 point. So 77 paise how to write? 77 by 100. 77 by 100 is nothing but 2 digit before we will keep the point no. So it will come as 0.77. Okay, already 77 rupees is here. So we used to write 77.77. Then 50 paise, how to write 50 paise? It is 50 by 100. So 2 digits before we will keep the point. So it is 0.50. Then 235 paise means 235 by 100. 2 digits before we used to keep the decimal no. By dividing by 100. So 2 digit before means it will come as 2.35. Okay. Then next one we express in kilogram. Okay. Please learn the conversions also children. Kilometer, from millimeter to kilometer, please learn the conversions. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, then decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Express in kilogram, 200 gram. So we want to write in decimal. So 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? We know that it is 1000 gram. So 200 gram, how to write in decimal? We can write this is 200 by 1000. Okay, like rupees. We divide by 100 now. Here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 200 gram, how to write? 200 by 1000. By 1000 here denominator 30. So 3 number before point. So it will come as 0.200 kg. 0.200 is nothing but 0.2 kg. Okay. Then second problem, 3470 grams, 3470. We will write 3470 by 1000 because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Then 30 means 3 number before I said no, from last, before 3 digits before. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3.470 kg. Then come to third one, 4 kilogram, 8 grams. 4 kilogram they given, so it is 4 point. I want to know only for 8 grams. 8 grams means what? 8 by 1000. 3 zeros means 3 number before, but I have only 1 number. So add 2 zeros in front, keep the point here. So what my answer is? 4 kilogram means 4 point. Then add and write this 008. Okay. Next, fifth Roman number is write the decimal numbers in expanded. They given in decimals. We won't write in expanded. We know that before decimal it is ones and tens. So 20 plus, so which is the place? 2 into 10. So 2 into 10 plus 0 plus, after decimal first digit is by 10. Second digit is by 100. So this is no need of writing by 10 because it is already 0, no? So we can write 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into, if you want you can write 0 into 1 by 10 plus 3 is second digit. So 3 by 100. Okay, then second one 2.03. 2 is in ones place. So 2 into 1 plus, after decimal first digit is 0. So 0 by 10 plus second digit is 3 by 100. You can simply write this as 2 plus 3 by 100. Okay, 2 plus, this is the second digit. So 3 divided by 100. This is also correct. And third one 200.03. We can write this in expanded form like this. 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus, if you can write this also correct, or simply you can write 200 plus 3 by 100. Okay, this is also correct because 0.03 second digit is 3, so we can write 3 by 100 directly. And what about this next fourth problem? 2.034. So 2 in the one place, so 2 into 1 plus 0 in the tens place, TENTHS. So 0 into 1 by 10, then 3 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Okay, the place value. Next Roman number 6 they given place value. So 2 is in which place? Ones place. In this 2, which place is this? Ones, tens. So this is in tens place. And here in this 2, after decimal first digit we used to say it is tens. TENTHS. Second digit is hundreds. So 100 THS, hundreds. And third place we used to say it is thousands. Okay, one example I'll show you. If it is 143.25, 257 will take. So this is in ones place, this is in tens place, and this is in 100 place. Usually we used to write now like that. After decimal first number 2 means we used to write it is tens, no ones. We used to write tens. So we used to write this as 2 by 10. Okay, and 5 means it is hundreds. Tens after hundreds. 100 then THS. We used to write the decimal as 5 by 100. Plus 7 in the thousands place. 1000 THS, thousands. We used to write the number divided by 1000. Is it clear now? In this last problem they given, Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram of apple and 3 kg 250 grams of mango. And Sarala bought 4 kg 800 grams of orange and 4 kg 150 grams of bananas. Who bought more? So first we will take Shama. How much she bought? 5 kg 300 gram of apple and 3 kg 250 grams. So we can write in decimal 5.300 and 3 kg means 3.250 gram is 0.250. When you are adding, you will be getting 8.550. That is 8.5 kg, more than 8.5 kg. Okay, then by Sarala, how much fruit she bought? 4 kg 800 gram of what? Oranges. So 4.800. Then banana she bought for 4 kg 150 gram. So it is 4.150. We add these two together. Okay, we will be getting 8.950. So compare these two. Saralas and Shamas, both also 8 kg only, but gram is different. Here 550 gram, here 950 gram. So who bought more? Sarala bought more. By how much means you want to subtract these two. Okay, 550, 950 minus 550, how much? 650, 750, 850, 950, 400 grams more. Okay, I think you understood this very well. We can see in the next class, children. In the next video, we will see exercise 2.6. Okay.